In my hand is the new Bitvae Smart S2 electric toothbrush, which does everything in the world. So I have to tell you, this was provided for me to do this review, but I have no instructions. So if it sucks, I will tell you it sucks. If it's amazing, I will say it's amazing. Let's do this. Let's open it up, see what it comes with. I'll talk to you about some of the features, why you might be considering this. Then I'll go use it for about a week and I'll come back, give you a review, give you that Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know if it did actually suck or if it was amazing. So, I like the box. Look at the way it's all marked up and organized, really cool. So it comes with a bunch of different heads with varying coarseness, right? Like, so some are soft, some are hard, some are medium, some are for gums, some are for making your teeth white. Obviously, here is the USB to charge it. Here is the toothbrush itself, which, by the way, is IXP7 water resistant, so you can actually wash the whole brush, use the whole brush. You don't have to worry about that. It is a sonic brush, so it's supposed to clean your teeth really well, like significantly better than a conventional brush. It has 5 modes in which you can choose, like whether you want to really deep clean, if you want to massage your gums, if you want to whiten your teeth. It's all adjustable. It's great for travel. Look, it comes with this super cool case. Kind of looks like an eyeglass case. Oh, it's much smaller than I expected. Here it is. Now I haven't charged it. Oh, look, you can see here are those 5 modes right there, all listed out. So you can see that is much easier than most of these, right? I've tried other models and you press once for clean and twice for white and once for soft. Like, you can just toggle through all those. They have the indicators so you know which one you want. So there's only one thing left to do. I'm gonna charge it up, use it for about a week. I'll come back and tell you if my teeth are clean or if they're dirty. Maybe I'll have Nikki come tell you. All right, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. We'll see you in a couple days. So I've spared you the dirty toothbrush that I've been using for about a week now, and I have to say, I am a super fan. I really am a super fan. This is something that I have been using and I will use again and continue to use because I really like this. I enjoy it so much. And of all silly things, the timer is something that I really like on it, right? Like, I don't like having to sit there thinking about singing happy birthday to myself twice to know if I've brushed my teeth enough. Although at 50 plus years old, you would think I should know how long. But in any case, I do like to be able to be lazy, and it has the timer, and that's great. It works really well. I don't know what else to say. The brushes are good. I like it. I'm just a fan. So I'm going to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope this kind of content is helpful. If it was, one of these down below, help us back. I'm Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I will see you next time.